Our today's idiom is a little bird told me. I am not sure how true it is, but a little bird told me you are planning a trip to Goa. Our second idiom is a rare bird means he is a rare bird in politics, known for his honesty. Now, the early bird catches the worm means we need to get to the concert venue right when doors open if you want to get good seats. Remember, the early bird catches the worm. Next is ugly duckling means he was a shy, awkward kid, the ugly duckling of his school, but now he is a confident and successful. Chicken hearted means lacking courage or being timid. Don't be chicken hearted. You should speak your mind in the meeting. To know more about our upcoming content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.